So this is my first ever hike. I'm wearing this. These trousers because last time I tried hiking, I was drunk and then I was wearing shorts and then I got loads of bites on my leg. So this is the backpack I'm bringing. In my backpack, I'm gonna have my tripod, my microphone, because I think when I get to the mountain, I'm gonna film an episode on my Jet Setter Diaries. So probably get some lip balm, some hand cream as well. Yeah, put my headphones because I'm gonna be listening to music while I'm hiking. I'll bring my diary in case I want to journal. My glasses, I need my glasses. Let me start packing now. Got my glasses. Where's my journal? My microphone. You just see the vibe, but today just looks like such a hike worthy day. And I made plans with my friend, but I don't think she's gonna fall through with them because she just went clubbing last night. So, and one thing I know about her is she does not stop clubbing before 5 a.m. and it's 8 a.m. right now. So if the plans go through, I'll see her. If not, I'm gonna go on this hike just in case. I don't think it's gonna go through. I'll probably see her tomorrow. Fun story, actually. I kind of had a bit of an issue with her because, just a long story. So, but then she is leaving Hong Kong permanently. So I just kind of want to see her one more time because I feel like our good times outweighed the bad times. And even though what she did was kind of shitty, like I said, this year I don't want to be cutting off people left, right, and center if I know like they can add value in my life. No! In one way, shape, or form. So yeah, I'm gonna hang out with her tomorrow. Not today though. Well, maybe today. We'll see. Okay, so I've decided instead of tying my hair up, I'm just gonna use a hairband and push it back. Very indie, very boho, very, very hiker vibes. Yeah, I think this is the look for today. I'm redoing the front of my hair soon before I go to Korea, don't worry. I'm pretty much ready. I'm just charging my headphones, my phone, and my power bank. I have data, so luckily I won't get stranded when it comes to Wi-Fi. But yeah, guys, today just feels like such a beautiful day. My room, the view is so bad, but oh my gosh, I feel like today I need to go hiking. Like, and I've never even been into hiking, but I made like a vision board. I made like a thing last year where I was like, things I'm gonna be doing summer of 2024 to level up or just find myself. And one of the things was hiking and camping. And it's so crazy because every single thing I've done, the polo matches I did, the solo travel I did, learning to do my own hair I did. I'm learning to do my own nails soon and wax. That's on the list as well. I started learning a new language, Italian. I made a friend from TikTok who I speak to in Italian now to practice. And she says that I'm actually decent, which is quite good. Just filled up my water bottle as well. I'm gonna wear something inside of this because Hong Kong is cold. Even though like it's only 16 degrees, because I arrived in Hong Kong when it was at around like 30 degrees, almost 40. 16 degrees is cold to me. I'm freezing right now. I'm gonna put on my heater, enjoy the last few moments of heating I have before I have to go away. These are my trousers that are drying right now because the dryer did not do a good job. Yeah, like I said, these vlogs are more like for me. But since I want to put it online, so I don't leave it in my phone, I have to be like less controversial than I would be. Guys, what is going on? I'm 20 years old. I don't think this is how a 20-year-old's face should permanently be dented. Something needs to change. I don't know what though. We're going hiking. Guys, we're going hiking. Ready to go. I was gonna make myself like a packed lunch just to eat like on the way, but then as I went to the kitchen, the cleaner was cleaning the kitchen like counters with a broom and a mop, so that really put me off. So I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven and get a snack on the way, hopefully in the train station. just started the hike and it's actually quite peaceful. It's literally just me, myself and I right now, and it's really peaceful, I'm not gonna lie. But I've just started, so I'll let you know what happens later. I've been seeing people walking who are like in shorts and stuff, but I'm not really at that point of my hike where I'm warm. Right now I'm really cold and I'm just eating right now. Guys, I kind of understand why people go hiking now, because it's like exercise and it's like pretty views, but then it's also like a treasure hunt. Like, okay guys, I put my glasses on so I could really soak in the views. Like, I really want to be able to see. And now that I've put my glasses on, like, this is so magical, honestly. Guys, look at the view. Like, what? Is this what I've been missing out on? Is this what people have been doing for fun? Look at the view. Like, I can't believe this is my first ever hike. I want to come back here again. Like, bro, what? I feel like I'm on an adventure. This is like, hiking is like peak adventure. This picnic site is this way. The Dragon's Back is that way. So we're gonna go this way because that's the hike that we're doing. I'm gonna sit down and take a break. Guys, I finally made it to what I think is the top. It might not be the top, but I'm assuming it is. Guys, I really wish I saved my snacks, because now this would be so perfect, just having my little picnic. But I thought it was going to be longer than it was. Like, it was long, but I just assumed it would be a bit longer. But so far, I'm really happy I did this. And yeah, this is your sign to go on a hike. Just retreat and go home because I want to get food and I want to go to bed. Hey guys, I'm finally walking in a place with some shade, which is nice because I need shade. You know what I want right now? I want to get to a place where there's just like loads of street food. I want to go to a street market, just eat loads of dim sum and dumplings and just Chinese food. But I don't think that's gonna happen around here. I just had the option to go back the way I came or to keep going straight. Either way, I'll have to get the same bus, it's just that it will take longer. I chose to keep going straight to see what this place offers, because I probably will not do this hike again. I'll do a hike, but not this one. So might as well finish this to the end and then move on to my next hiking conquest. I'm trying to go home and eat. Now there's either option I go down this way or there's option I go that way. I'm gonna assume that way is going upwards. I'm gonna go down because I'm hungry, and I feel like if it was no people allowed, surely it would say no one should come in. So let's go down here. Bad idea. I'm coming back up. I don't feel safe here. I'm gonna follow the clear path. And if it doesn't take me home, then fuck my life. Gosh, guys, I'm at a waterfall. Oh my gosh. Kept going down that place, I would have walked into a waterfall or to a pool of water is what I'm hearing. So I'm glad I didn't keep following the rocks, because that other place I was walking down is literally just this, but without the water. Look at it, it's pretty. Pretty interesting as well. Cute. Guys, I thought I was lost, but then I think now the hike is over and I'm actually sad. I want to go back. No, I can't. I have to eat. Wait, I'm really sad. Like, why is it over already? I was just getting into it, you know? Let's go. We shall go home. So embarrassing filming in public. I don't think I could do this back in England. The only reason I feel comfortable filming in public in Asia is because I just assume that they think I'm a celebrity already because I'm black. But like, once I'm back in England, you will not catch me doing this. Maybe, we'll see. We'll see. I did my lashes. Anyways, I'm done for the day. I'm done my hike. I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna redo my braids. I know, I can't even believe I'm showing up online looking like this. Like, actually, that's it. Okay, this is the way we're going home. To my future self, I hope you're proud of me, and to my future self, I hope you're doing even better than what I'm doing now. Like, I feel like there's no limit when it comes to what you can do. Like, there's no such thing as being in your peak or your prime. You just have to keep going. There's no limits in this world. Like, you can't just decide this was my peak. What? No. Okay, so I thought the hike was done, but we still got more places to go, which I'm not complaining about. This is so beautiful. What the fuck? This is so beautiful. Like, can you believe I'm standing? This is like, I'm here. I don't even feel like myself right now. I would never envision myself in this, like, mountains. Crazy. But here I am. To future Chisholm, you need to keep it going, mate. You're just keep it going. Like, there's literally nothing else I can say to you. Just keep going. Keep doing it. Keep vlogging it, because I would have forgotten about this experience if I wasn't vlogging it, but now I'm vlogging it. Also, I hope you've worked on your speech, because I think we have speech problems we might need to fix. Oh gosh. I almost tripped on the thing of my flare and fell down these fucking stairs. Like, bro, these stairs are massive. Right now, I'm by the side of the road waiting for my bus home after I just completed a hike. And I wanted to talk about things I've learned about myself since being in Hong Kong or since studying abroad. Firstly, I don't think I can live in a single country for too long. I don't know why. Like, Hong Kong, I know I'll appreciate it more when I'm gone, but as for right now, like, I'm done with it. Like, and it's sad to say because I haven't even seen much of Hong Kong. Guys, I think that's my bus. I'm sitting so close to the road. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna stop sitting by the side of the road. If another motorcycle comes, I swear to God, I feel like there's a whole motorcycle show happening right now. I'm scared. I'm gonna stand up. Anyways. Wait, guys. Okay, this is not a motorcycle. To be fair. Why am I sitting here? I don't know. Okay. Hello, everyone. I finished my hike. Bye bye.